going to write a program that calculates the factorial. Factorial is the number times 1 less, times 1 less, times 1 less. So factorial of 4 would be 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Okay, we're going to start that in 3, 2, 1. All right, I've imported my utility class, which allows me to create a scanner. Then I can prompt the user to enter a number to calculate factorial 4. And then we have an int value for the factorial equals input dot next int. And now we're going to have to create a value that I'm going to call the product, and I'm going to start it off equaling 1. Similar to when you're summing a list of problems, you want to have a sum variable that starts at 0, but since we're multiplying, you want to start it at 1. And so it's pretty straightforward here. You can have I equal 1, I less than factorial less than or equal to, because we are also multiplying by the factorial, I plus plus, and then product can just times equal I, and first time through it'll be 1 times 1, but then I will increase to 2, so it'll be 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 until we reach factorial, and then afterwards we can print product. If we run that, enter a number to calculate the factorial for, let's do 8, is 40,000. Now there's no way to test if that's right, unless you do the math. But what I like to do is just put that in here, and we'll run it again, and then this will give us updates along the way. So if I plug in 8, it'll be 1 times 2 times 3 times 4, 5, 6. So we are adding that up along the way, and then we print the answer at the end. So that's why it's printed twice. So there you go.